Thumbnails are YouTube Heaven gateway, cause a good thumbnail increase your click rate of your video. Watch to the end to know how to easily create thumbnail of your video using a Photoshop. However, watch my next video on how to create thumbnail with your phone. Let's get started. Now, the first thing to do when creating a thumbnail is to look for a good image which you intentionally snap, not the image you cropped from your video, because it won't be that sharp. So it's best to look for an image which you intentionally snap. Now, using this image I intentionally snap, I want to do an unboxing video for this flash drive, speedlight I mean. Now, using the best size for thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixel. Okay guys, now after creating a new template and folder for this, that is a new document to start with, I will drag the image I brought in into it, then enlarge it to make sure that it fools the whole document size. So I will increase it in, then enlarge the image for a better positioning. And the best place to put your image is always at the left side corner, so that your text will be at the right side. People will easily see the text or the words you put out first. So that is why you put your text at this other side of the image, that is the left side, the right hand side, while the image is at the other side. So after doing that, you edit the image. Now, by editing the image, I mean by adding your levels, your any kind of editing you want to do on the image to make sure that the image pops out and is clear. You can add punctuation to make it clear and sharp again. Just do any kind of editing you know is best for the image. That's it about the editing of the image. And make sure that the item you want us to know about is also clear. So that's why you have to first of all snap an intentional image. Then after snapping the intentional image, while you are editing, you won't have to edit much. So that's it guys. First of all, snap an intentional image, then you edit a little bit, just some touching around it. That's all. Now the next thing to do after editing the image is to add some filters. Like if you know you have stickers or filters you want to add for the object, depending on the thumbnail you are creating, whether it's an unboxing video or something else, anything you are creating for, just try and add some kind of filters or additional stickers to the thumbnail to just make it pop out. Like this particular one, I want to add the pack of the speed light to the side of the video. So probably you're doing another type of video, you can just easily add whatever item you think is best and drag into the image. Now after editing the image, then you just have to add it to the previous one to make sure that they are close together, like to form a kind of closure between the two images. Then you crop and drag into the other folder, just as you see me do. Then you reduce the size and everything else that you think is best for it, and position it properly in a proper manner where you think is okay and is all right. At the side, you know, I said earlier that the right hand side should be where your text are, while the left hand side should be where the image are, and any other things, because people would tend to see your text first. So it's best to put them at the right hand side. You know, I said your thumbnail are your YouTube gateway to heaven, because it increase your click rate for people to watch your video as a new starter on YouTube, and even someone who has more subscribers. It's just the best. So make sure you work on your thumbnail and make sure you are doing or giving out a good quality thumbnail. So watch to the end so you can learn how to do it perfectly well using your Photoshop. As you can see me do it, just take your time and follow the step gradually. Now this section is about adding text to the image. Now I will be using a clear font, and I'll make sure that the size of the image, the text is very bold, because you don't know which folder or what phone or what system the person is using to watch your video. So if it's a phone, you just have to make sure that the text is bold enough for a phone. Anybody viewing it on a phone will be able to see it. You don't just assume that everybody watching your video are using a system. So the best is to be on safer side and make sure that the text is very bold, clear, and is of a good font size. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to do here. As you can see, that's exactly what I'm trying to do by increasing, reducing, and positioning the text and other stuff. So just keep calm and practice on it, then you become perfect as time goes on. It's very simple. I'm very sure you can testify to this point that is very, very simple and easy to do. So just try and make sure that the text you're using is of a good and bold text font size. So you can now add your color and also add shape to the object, because the shape will make the text pop out a little bit more. So that's why I also like using shape to enhance the text itself. So you can also play around this and try your best and give out your best in it. As you can see, it's quite easy. You just have to continue and make sure you are doing it well. So in writing your text, make sure you are only writing a 3-letter text on your thumbnail so it can be clear and bold and easy to read. Because the other information you want them to know about, you can just add them to your title, but it's best to just write a simple 3 or 4 letters on your thumbnail. Okay guys, don't add too much text on your thumbnail. It won't make it look well and organized. So it's best to just add 3 letters or 4 letters to your thumbnail. Yep. So guys, that's how I did the first unboxing one. You can see I've added a shape to it and I've added a preferable color. So I want to add another text to it, which is the name of the item I'm unboxing. Just something simple. That's how you create text ideas you want to put on your thumbnail, so it won't be overcrowded with words and rough. It will be simple, clear, and readable. So that's how to do it best. You can just move around and continue practicing. You enjoy this, guys. Seriously, you're going to enjoy it. So after that, I will be typing the text for the speed light I said earlier. Godos TT and 502 version 2. Yeah, that's the name of the speed light. So I will be adding that and also using colors, text, shapes, size to design and make it come out well. You will be seeing the end result of this. So guys, hope you're watching to the end. So that's it. That's version 2. I just finished typing. So now I will be adjusting and positioning it in the right place I want it to be. So I think the size is okay like this. Now I will be adding a shape to it to make it pop out. As you can see, it's not popping out like the way the unboxing text is, so I will be doing it that same way by changing the color. You don't have to just use one type of color, play around with. But I love just gold, blue, black and white precisely. I don't like using red because YouTube color is also red, so when you add red, it matches with the color of the um items on YouTube. So it's best to use a different color so it will pop out. So black and white is advisable. Now that's why I changed the shape color of this speed light name to black and the text itself to white, instead of doing it the other way around as I did the unboxing. So it came out well. As you can see, I'm loving it already, guys. I hope you're also loving what you're doing as you're practicing this. Share to your friends to see and understand better how to create a thumbnail, a good quality thumbnail, the size, shapes, color, and everything you need to know, which I've said earlier. Now the end result is just for us to save, and you use Ctrl plus Alt plus X to save the copy. And I do advise people to make use of an easy name to save the item, so you don't just start looking for it. And don't forget to change the image size to JPEG. Yep, and you save. That's it. Our thumbnail is ready to be posted. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to this channel for more videos on how to grow on YouTube. I am Kaosarah Abdulfatai. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, and share to friends. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay safe and remain blessed. Thanks for watching. If you want to watch this particular video, you can check the description box. Bye.